In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remove.bg, an incredibly powerful tool that simplifies one of the most tedious tasks in image editing, removing backgrounds. Whether you're a graphic designer, a marketer, or just someone looking to enhance their photo, Remove.bg offers a seamless experience to make your images stand out. Let's start by navigating to Remove.bg. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address to go directly to their website. Once you're there, you'll notice the simplicity of the homepage, inviting you to start editing right away. There's no need for downloads or installations, as it's all online, making it both convenient and accessible from anywhere. Next, you'll need to upload an image. Right on the homepage, you'll spot a button that says Upload Image. Click on this button and it will open your File Explorer, allowing you to search through your computer's folders to find the image you want to edit. Choose an image that you think could benefit from a cleaner, focused presentation. Once you've selected your image, upload it to Remove.bg. The magic happens almost instantaneously. Remove.bg uses sophisticated algorithms to detect subjects and remove the background, leaving you with a clean cutout of your image focal point. This process is automatic and takes just a few seconds, which means you don't have to fuss over phasing and blending details. It's a huge time saver and especially beneficial if you have multiple images to edit. Upon completion, you're presented with your image minus the background. There are further enhancements you can make if you wish. For instance, Remove.bg provides a cutout feature that allows for adjustments to the edges of your subject, ensuring that nothing looks too harsh or unnatural. This can be handy if the automatic removal isn't perfect around finer details. One of the platform's cool capabilities is its option to add new backgrounds. This feature is incredibly versatile as it allows you to drop in a different background to create various artistic effects or match your needs for a specific project. Imagine needing a white background for a professional website or a lively scene for a creative project. Additionally, the service offers effects to enhance your images further. Think filters, color adjustments, or stylistic overlays, adding that professional touch without needing advanced editing skills. Finally, the platform also allows you to make adjustments such as brightness, contrast, and saturation, letting you polish your image to the perfect look. Remove.bg even provides design templates to help you put together more comprehensive visuals without switching over to another design program. By offering all these features in one package, Remove.bg becomes an essential tool for efficient and effective image editing. And there you have it. Remove.bg is a straightforward yet powerful tool that can significantly cut down the time and effort needed to process images. It's a great way to enhance your creative work, whether you're doing so professionally or just for fun. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.